So we have these wooden floors left over, and I thought, can we not just make a coffee table out of it? I'm not sure, but let's give it a go. So this is a pre-finished pine hard wax oil wooden floor, and it's pretty thick. It's 25 millimeters thick. And since it is a wooden floor, it's got the tongue and groove, and I want to remove that on the table saw so that I can glue these up. But also on the back, there are these small grooves, and I want to remove them as well. That would be on the underside of the table, but doesn't look nice. So I'm gonna get rid of that through the planer as well. Let's start by running it through the table saw. Before I glue it up, I'm just going to cut it down to more manageable sizes. Alright, so I have all my pieces, and to give them a little more pizzazz, shazazz, whatever, I'm gonna run them through the table saw and create a little chamfer on the end. So yesterday I glued on the beam to the bottom of the tabletop, and now I'm going to glue on the legs. And to be able to glue that up, I made these. And you can use this piece to clamp it onto the workpiece, and this angle right here to glue the miter up. Oh, and you need 2 of them, of course. So now I just need to wait for this to dry, and then I can do the other leg. And then I'll just sand it down and give it a finish. Oh, hi! It's finished. However, there are a couple of things I would change if I were to do this again. The stretcher that I have beneath the table is a bit too wide. And I didn't even think about changing that while I was doing it. I think this particular design would look really cool with a bit longer table and maybe lower as well. But to be honest, we eat here a ton, so it's really nice to have a table that is high enough to reach the food. But all in all, I'm really happy. I made a coffee table out of the wooden floor that would be otherwise just thrown out. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!